Hi, in this video I want to show you how you can pay for the Pocket Inspections subscription. Checkout is only available in our web application at app.pocketinspections.com. Log into our web application, then go to the menu, Billing, and Purchase License. If you are a larger organization or would like to adapt the application to your needs, please contact us. Otherwise, you can use one of the two online payment options or generate a pro forma invoice. Remember that the card details are processed by the Stripe, a global payment operator. We do not process your card details. Choose the form of payment. Then you have to pick the type of subscription. If you buy a subscription for a year in advance, you will have 2 months for free. At the time this video was recorded, we have a Standard and Pro subscription available. The Standard subscription has the following limitations. You can generate the reports only in the PDF format and the number of uploaded plans is limited to 100 for the whole organization. The Pro subscription doesn't have any limitations. On the next screen, you must enter the number of users. If you have employees, you can purchase more licenses and then assign them between the users. Next, fill the billing details, the data necessary for the invoice. We are currently redirected to the payment screen on the Stripe website. You can verify that in the address bar of the website. If you have a promotional code, you can also type it here using the Add Promo Code button. After entering your payment details and completing the payment, your subscription will be activated.